Okay, so for this recipe, we are going to need 3 carrots. Actually, these are quite large, so I'm only going to use 2. 3 stalks of celery, some onion, some thyme, dried thyme, salt and pepper, some green peas. I think we need a cup. 4 tablespoons of flour. We need whole milk. I don't have whole milk, so I'm going to split between half and half and 1% milk. I have buttermilk biscuits, Dijon mustard, chicken broth, some butter, and some chicken breasts. We need 4 cups of cooked shredded chicken, so I'll be using just a couple of those, and I'll be using the rest for a different recipe.
Yeah, I had another onion here I cut into. I deleted it, but you can probably see it in the bowl, and it was kind of black inside. So yeah, I tried a second time. I don't know what it is with onions lately. I know that I was watching somebody else on YouTube too, and they had mentioned they were having a problem with their onions, and a lot of them are coming up rotten. But, yeah.
Get my handy dandy chopper, which I should have gotten before because this is the best thing ever. That's 1. There's 2. And that's that. Wonderful.
Okay, what I didn't mention earlier is that I did pound the chicken down flatter and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 425.
Okay, now a teaspoon of thyme. Bowl. Teaspoon of salt. And go for half a teaspoon of pepper. We like pepper. All right. All right, time to check the chicken.
There you go. See, you saw that, right? Just wait for it.
Every time. Put the oven down to 375. Let that cool off just a little bit. I am going to get these. I will put these in the bowl because I'm going to use my mixer to shred them. I've never actually done it that way. So let's see what happens. Get this out.
You can already see that this is going to be pretty comical. Get a bigger bowl if you're going to use this. This took me about...
a bigger bowl.
Yeah. It took me probably about 5 or 6 minutes to do this. It does help though, because it was really hot, but...
All right. That's as good as it's going to get, I think. Let's clean this up a little bit. All right. Now, let's start cooking. Get this off of there. Okay. All right, every vegetable that's in the bowl, everything can go in the pan. That out. Jumper. Now I'm going to give it another minute. And get all those bits off the bottom. I'm really shocked that dog's not here. He must be downstairs. He can't smell it. Because otherwise he would be here. I'm going to turn this down. Put that right in. All right, I'm gonna put about, come on. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of Dijon, just for flavor. Yeah, that smells delicious. A little bit more for good measure. And garlic powder. Supposed to be about a half a teaspoon, but that's probably about a half a teaspoon, but I'm gonna go a little bit more. We like garlic. Broke my mallet. Pounding that chicken. Went flying. Yep. Good times. All right, so this is getting thicker. That smells fantastic. Okay, so now at this point, I'm gonna get it up to a boil. It's actually pretty low right now. Get it up to a boil and turn it down to simmer. Not for very long. It's only gonna simmer until it gets thick, and it's already getting thick, so just gonna keep stirring it for now. Turn that down. All right. So at this point, I'm gonna put in a cup of green peas. I use the frozen. You can use canned. You can use whatever you have. You don't even have to put green peas. You know what? I think it would taste good with broccoli, to be honest. But we are broccoli fans, so we eat a lot of that. All right, and I'm gonna go 4 cups of chicken. I'm just gonna eyeball this. I don't really care, but I do want to have enough left over for another recipe, so it's always better with more, right? As long as I have enough left, I should probably just use what I have. Oh, so nice and thick. Big handful. Whew, that's hot. Okay. Hold that in. This is fantastic. This is like a chicken pie. I mean, obviously, but it's thicker. It's not. There's not a whole ton of gravy. Like, but once it goes in the oven, it's gonna change. Stir that up real good. Oh God, if you could smell this, if you could smell this right now, it's fantastic. All right. I have to taste it. Come on. Mmm. That is wonderful. Perfect, perfect. Okay, heat off. Best part. All right. Transfer this to a baking dish. I'm using a 13 by 9. Oh, it's a little bit heavy. Okay.
Here you see where the arthritis in my wrists kind of gets to me here.
All right. All right, spread this out. Now the best part biscuits. So I hate who likes opening these things. I hate these things. They scare me. All right. Let's see. So I do this. Oh. Okay.
You could not see my lips moving, but yeah. Come on, Karen, do better. Point the container up next time.
Come on. All right. In the oven. In the oven for 22 to 25 minutes. Okay. All right, see you back.
And here is where my voice went out. I have no idea what I'm saying here, but they're nice and golden brown. They're as hot as hell. Look, it looks like I'm casting a spell. So that's to make sure that it turned out right. Like one of my first videos on YouTube, so it needed to come out okay. I think this was quite comical.
I honestly thought this dish was really good. The kids loved it too. Now there is not much gravy on this. If you wanted to add more milk, I assume if you put broccoli in it, you'd want to add more milk anyways, to have a little bit more gravy. But it's not a pie; it's a casserole, so it is thicker, and it's definitely a hearty, hearty meal. My kids told me that I should name my channel Nuclear Mama because everything I make is crazy hot. But yeah, okay, it's amazing. So the first time that you really see my face during this video, you can't hear me speak. But anyways, the meal was really good. I will put the ingredients in the description box, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Um, I'm not going to bore you with watching the rest of this and watching me chew. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back soon. Thanks for coming. Oh, and no biscuits were harmed in the making of this video. Bye!